combat fitness dance song and a dance fitness dance song.
Okay.
I was saying to Chrissy, they're a little bit more